All right, guys, we're heading out for day one of Monterey Car Week. We're heading over to Porsche Monterey Classic, and this is going to be the first time I see this thing out in the sunlight since we finished ceramic coating yesterday. So let's get going. Almost forgot you guys. Alright guys, we're pulling up. Alright, we're here 20 minutes early. Let's see how it's looking. Hey. Oh. Thanks so much. Yo, what's going on, guys? Hey, what's going on, buddy? Hey, yeah, good seeing you.
Car's looking sweet.
Thank you, thank you. Took a lot of work. Hey, what's going on, man?
You remember me?
I do, yeah.
Right, I want to do the exact same thing. You ready?
All right, let's run it back.
What would you rate this car on a scale of 1 through 10?
Oh, dude, that thing's pretty sweet. I actually saw it pull in. I give it a 10.
Awesome. And what would you rate your car?
We're doing this again, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Let's give it a 2 this year.
Okay. Do you think others would agree?
I think so.
No, that's kind of crazy low. All right. I'm going to grab a picture, bro.
For sure.
It's good seeing you again.
Hey, good seeing you.
Yep.
Yeah. Pretty sweet. You would check that out later. All right, we made it, y'all. Let's go walk around. All right, first time seeing the cars out since we ceramic coated yesterday. I think it came out pretty nice. If you guys see any high spots, let me know. Hey, wasn't expecting to see you this early, man.
Yeah, I gotta get the videos, right?
I know, right? So they have a matching Macan for this unveiling. How's it going, you guys?
Yeah, good. Help yourself.
All right. Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Hey guys, we just made it back from Porsche Monterey Classic 2024. What a great time. It's amazing as always. Porsche has such great hospitality, but you know what? I'm gonna ask my dad about his first time as a participant, because he's always been going as, you know, just somebody spectating. But here's his first time as a participant. How was your first Porsche Monterey Classic as a participant versus spectator?
It was actually fun. It's a good experience. I run into a lot of my friends who I haven't seen for a while, and you know, we share the same interests, which is cars. Like talking about cars, and that's all we did.
Yeah.
Socialize and network. So that's good. Good experience.
That's what it's all about, guys, is hanging out with your friends. And the cars are just kind of the thing that brings you together. But the end goal is friendship. So as we've been doing every year, I'm going to put the year's sticker on my window. I'm thinking right here next to 2023's. I think that's going to look pretty solid right there. Let's do it. Good enough. Give it a little wipe with your hand. I just get so nervous putting stickers on. Looks good to me, I think. Close enough. Beautiful. All right, that wraps up today, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Until Wednesday, y'all. Peace.